What if you could create a professional looking property website in under an hour? So the first thing that we're going to do is let's go to Canva. On the Canva homepage search bar, let's type in website. Browse the available templates in here. Anything with the crown on it, it is for pro users, but anything without is available to anyone. So let's take a look at real estate template. Okay, so this one looks perfect. Let's customize this and it will start creating another tab for you. So as you scroll down everything, let's check everything through it. So I like everything except for this one. So let's go to design and elements. Let's search for real estate and scroll all the way down here. Okay, I think I like this one. So what you're going to do is click this and you drag this first part into this one. So from here, you can now customize the template and the information that you have. Remember that Canva offers elements, text, and you can always upload any pictures that you have. For example, you're working on the real estate and you have this listing appointment and you want to put that into an advertisement, just put it here. Okay, let's try going to elements and search for real estate. We can always get from here too. Let us help you find your dream. You can also change the size, the font. Okay, here. So also you can adjust this one, and since this one is scrollable website, you can adjust into this, depending on the dimension of your website. So also you can adjust this one, and since this one is scrollable website, you can adjust into this, depending on the dimension of your website. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want another tips and tricks, please leave a comment down below and see you soon.